Hello everyone. In this video I will guide you step by step on how to set up your Attack Shark mouse. First, start by taking everything out of the box. If your mouse supports wireless mode, begin by plugging the small wireless receiver into the USB port on your computer. Once it is connected, turn the mouse over and look for a small switch on the bottom. Slide the switch to the mode labeled 2.4G or wireless. After a short moment the mouse should become active, and you will see the pointer moving on your screen when you move the mouse. If you want to use the mouse in wired mode, or if your model does not include wireless features, connect the USB cable from the mouse to your computer. The mouse should begin working right away without any extra steps. Wired mode can also charge the mouse if it has an internal battery. Now you will need the Attack Shark driver software so you can adjust settings like sensitivity, lighting, and button behavior. Open your web browser and go to the official Attack Shark driver page. In the search bar type the name of your mouse model. Download the driver that matches your mouse model. Once it is downloaded, open the installer and follow the steps on the screen. When the installation is finished, restart your computer so the software can load correctly. Take your time adjusting everything until it feels right for you. Thanks for watching.